So I am super excited about this vlog because this is my very first episode of the live vlogs that I want to be bringing to you guys. Right now I am headed to bowling and dinner for my friend's birthday, and I am just so happy for you guys to be coming along with me. Happy birthday, Bernard! This is Gabby!
Being able to be alive to see another birthday after a hard pandemic-riddled year. To me.
So unsettled because I didn't even know that bowling alleys had like time limits. I was under the impression that you played per game, like you paid per game, and that's how you played. I didn't know that it was a time limit, so I'm shocked. Yeah. Did you know this? No, I didn't. You look nice. So Gabs, how was your night? It was excellent. Did you know about this time limit that they had on the bowling game or whatever?